Okay, we're going to review this really easy one by just pointing out those key words. So, to begin, we have James has at least $19 in his checking account. We're going to put a square around at least. That's a key word for us. So that means that he's going to have $19 or more. So the J would represent at least $19, which would be your equal to sign, or more. So it's going to be greater than or equal to 19. That's what that's telling us. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this. The theater can seat a maximum of 250 people. So it's telling me that I can't go over 250 people. So T represents how many people are in there. It has to be less than or equal to 250 because I can put 250 in there, just I can't go over it. All right, so now I'm going to copy this again. And the desert received less than, I knew I was reading that wrong, 1 inch of rain last month. So whatever number is here has to be less than 1 because it didn't go over 1. So my number could be a half, it could be 3/4. It just has to be less than 1 because it says less than 1 inch. Peggy baked over 4 pies for the holidays. So we are going to highlight that word over, which is nice of her to bake more than 4. So she baked over 4 pies. So this P can represent any number over 4. So it needs to be greater than 4 because she baked over 4. Writers need to be a minimum of 36 inches tall. So let's see, minimum would be our key word that we're focusing on here, which means they can be 36 inches tall, but they can also be over. They just can't be under. So we have greater than or equal to. The M has to be a number that's greater than 36 or equal to 36. And the last one, fewer than 9 people made an A on the history exam. So fewer than 9, which means 9 didn't make it. It has to be less than 9. So 8 or below. Now you'll notice that we highlighted or we put a square around the key words. That's what you want to do, is look for your key words, and then you're going to create your inequality from that.